Hi guys, and welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Rosangel, and I love all things cooking, entertaining, and decorating. So if you're new, welcome. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how easy, guys, it is to prepare these delicious center pork chops. Guys, they're beautiful. Just look at this. They're nice and juicy. And the best part, guys, is that I am not going to grill this. As much as I love grilling, I'm not doing that today. So I'm gonna actually roast this in the oven. And I'm gonna teach you guys a trick to make sure these pork chops are nice and juicy. So come with me, guys, and let me show you how easy it is to prepare these delicious roasted center cut pork chops. So let's do this, guys. This right here is my secret marinade. Well, not so secret anymore, guys, because you know what? Sharing is caring, and I'm going to share this with you guys, okay? This is my go-to marinade for pretty much everything, guys. Pork, beef, you name it. These are center cut pork chops. They are actually on the thick side. I know it may seem intimidating, guys, but don't panic. I'll show you a trick and how to prepare these delicious pork chops. And here are your ingredients, guys. We have half a lemon. I'm going to be using half a lemon, actually. I'm going to be using the juice and the zest. I have 4 cloves of garlic. I have garlic powder, onion powder, apple cider vinegar, oil. Any oil will do, guys, okay? I am using some sazon. If you can see this nice red color, I don't have it out here. But, guys, yes, I'm using sazon. And I like sazon because it gives it such a nice taste and such a pretty color. So we're gonna mix all these ingredients together, guys. The key here, guys, is to make sure this is blended nicely. And yes, we have to taste this paste, okay? That's how we're gonna know if we're gonna need some salt or any other ingredients. So yep, I am going to taste this, guys. And the key, guys, to any marinade, I've always said this, the key is to marinate for at least 4 to 5 hours. And I am going to do that with these pork chops. And yes, these are going to go in the refrigerator for a good 4 to 5 hours, guys. And this is the best part, guys. And it's actually key. We need to make sure that this seasoning covers our pork chops completely, guys. That's the key. So these pork chops are going to be delicious, guys. Again, this is going in the refrigerator for good 4 to 5 hours. And guys, this is exactly what we want. These are completely covered with this delicious seasoning. So let's do this, guys. Our 5 hours are up. I'm gonna get these delicious pork chops out of the refrigerator, and we are gonna get going with this trick. I'm gonna show you guys how to prepare these delicious oven roasted pork chops. Now, guys, here's a little secret. I am literally recording with one hand and holding my pork chops with the other. Literally hoping and praying these pork chops don't drop on the floor. Guys, this right here is key. I have my skillet at a medium high. I added a little bit of oil, any oil, it don't matter. Okay, guys, whatever oil you fancy. But the key here is, guys, no more than 3 minutes on each side. That is key to getting these pork chops to be nice and juicy. And guys, this is what you want. Look how delicious this looks. Guys, this right here is my second round of pork chops, so we need to be patient, guys. And guys, I've set my temperature at 375 and they're gonna go in for 25 minutes. Guys, this really depends on your oven, guys, okay? Not all the stoves and ovens are the same. So be very careful with this, okay? Look how beautiful these pork chops are looking. It's been about 10 minutes. This right here is one of my family's favorite. I serve this creamy garlic parmesan pasta pretty much with anything. And I'm gonna do that with pork chops today. And this is, guys, by Popular Demand. It's delicious. Guys, this right here is my secret weapon. It's butter infused in garlic, rosemary, and is lightly seasoned with salt and pepper. My pork chops are ready and they're gonna sit for 5 minutes. But before, guys, I am gonna go ahead and add some of this delicious butter all over my pork chops. Guys, this is what's gonna really give these pork chops a delicious flavor. And again, guys, the key is to have these pork chops sit for a good, I want to say 4 to 5 minutes. And yes, guys, make sure we cover the pork chops, okay? We want the pork chops to retain all this heat so all the juices can distribute nicely. Ooh, this is gonna be so good, guys, so good. Guys, how easy was this? Here's a little disclaimer. I actually said 25 minutes, but it actually went for 30 minutes. You want the internal temperature to be at 145, okay? So that's what I went for. And the key here is to cover for a good 5 minutes. You're gonna see how juicy and delicious these pork chops are gonna be. So let me show you guys. Look how beautiful this is. Beautiful, beautiful. This is what we want. See how nice, guys? Oh, this is so good. Let's see, taste this. Guys, this is perfect. The butter with the garlic infused rosemary. Beautiful, guys. And I'm gonna be serving this with this delicious pasta, which is one of my family's favorite. And it's actually a Parmesan pasta. Guys, it's delicious. Guys, I sure hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you guys don't miss out on videos.